your movement. Bao Chuan is very short. Bao Chuan is short. So if I do this, I go, count, see, tap, and there, here, see. So see, I go this line. I go very short. Here, see, I go short. One side, go in from this line. Okay. So if you see me from side, it's a line here. It's a line here, it's a line here, it's a line here, it's a line. Line. This line. Don't make your arm come to here. Here. See? It's a sharp line. Okay? Everything. Bao Chuan. Every movement, sharp line. So if I go there, if I go to here, I go in. I go in, see, I follow the line. It's here. I follow the line. It's here. Okay? It's the line. Okay? Don't two sides. Sharp line. Go in sharp.
Otherwise, the force disperses, right?
Yeah. Okay? So every force, concentrate to center. Concentrate to center. Up. Okay? Must be very, very sharp. Okay? Try again. So you need to press Bao Chuan. There must be a line in your mind where the target is. So your movement have a line. Okay? Usually the line follow your shoulder, follow your leg, goes up a line. Okay? It's a line. Okay?